Today we are going to show you which wristband is better for EST protection. We have many type anti-static wristband available in the industry, but which one is best and which ones we should not use. So basically any wristband which have a wire for grounding, like a simple B2C wristband which have a wire and a clip to ground, it's a good one to use. Also, like any other, like this one is Indian with wire and clip, good. This one is also Chinese with metal strap with a wire and clip, this one also good. This one also Chinese with a one side button and wire, this one also good. All are good except this. This is a cordless wristband. There is no wire, you just have to wear it. People think that this really works, but it does not. I will show you the next video that how it works actually. When you have a proper grounding, you have to attach your body with the ground. Only then any static charge in your body will pass on to the ground. But this wristband does not have anything, so you can connect it to the ground. So this does not pass the static charge to the ground. So though this does not work at all. These are only for soak. There is a video someone made. I'm attaching the video. You can check that. Even after wearing this wristband, you will see the shock. And wearing this type of wristband will not give you any shock. So this does not protect any of your accessories or electronic items. So please avoid wearing this type of wristband. This is only for visitor, for show cause only. This does not work.
Oh, yes.
Okay,
Now your body is picking up charge from that.
great.
And then if you touch your computer is grounded, right?
Okay,
There is no discharge.
this ESD wristband works perfectly.
I'm trying to see if your hair is rising or not.
No, not too bad.
Are you charged at all? Ah! Oh, yes, you're charged. Good.
I mean, spoiler, but